Down, we've got the Bionic Blackhawks, the Flying Toasters, and the Gearheads. Who is your next selection?
On behalf of Team 2834, the Flying Toasters and the Gearheads, we would like to request the assistance of 3357.
3357! The comics. All right, 3357, what is your response?
On behalf of Team 3357.
Your fourth selection, your third selection, sir.
On behalf of Spartanics 5048, Prom Force 503, and Unites, we would like to request the assistance of 3322.
3322 has already been picked.
And it's gone.
And they're gone. We need another one. Who is left? I can't even think.
4961.
4961, sharp and awesome. Right over there. Shock and awesome, what is your answer?
On behalf of Team Shock and Awesome,
Hammerheads, Riveters, Hackbots, who is your next selection?
on behalf of Team 226, 1481, and 3414, we would like to request the assistance of 1504.
1504! That is the Desperate Penguins.
Is it because we know the legendary paddle petty?
All right, Desperate Penguins, what is your response? Now we've got the Lakers, the Bulldogs, and the Robo Jackets. Who is your next selection?
We'd like to select Team 302.
Team 302, the Dragons from Lake Orion, with the biggest light-up signs in the house. Woo-hoo. All right, Team 302, what is your response?
On behalf of Team 302 and our friends from York, we're actually excited.
Night Vision, Robotics, and Trucktown. Who is your next selection?
On behalf of Team 3175, 107, and 68, we would like to invite Team 5084 to join our alliance.
All right, that's the FridgeBot's